Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you the secret that dentists are hiding from us. It is super effective in eliminating teeth tartar and whitening teeth at home with very simple ingredients. You can whitening your teeth at home and you can get rid of bad breath and you can get rid of teeth tartar, and it's super effective. It works, and from first use you will whitening your teeth as pearls, and you will notice a great results, my friends. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it, and you will get so many useful beauty tips from me. So make sure subscribe. The first ingredient we need to add in a clean mixing bowl, we need to add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. Instant coffee whitening teeth naturally, and it also removes teeth tartar. Then my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. We need to add 1 full teaspoon. Now we need to mix well the ingredients. After mixing well and combining all the ingredients together, we need to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Olive oil make your enamel shine like pearls, and it's super effective in whitening teeth. We need 1 small teaspoon of olive oil, and then we mix again the ingredients. Then my friends, we need 1 lemon, and cut the lemon in half like so. Then add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. We need to add 1 small teaspoon of lemon juice and mix again the ingredients. After mixing well the ingredients, store it in a container like so. This mixture lasts for a long time. It doesn't go bad or anything. It lasts very long in room temperature. Now how to use it? With your toothbrush, dip in your toothbrush into the remedy like so, and brush your teeth from up to down and from bottom to top like so. And my friends, the result will amaze you. From first use you will whitening your teeth naturally. To get the best result after brushing your teeth, wash it with warm water, and to get the best result, use it 2 times daily, in the morning and at night, and keep using it until you achieve the best result ever. It whitening the teeth from first use, and you will notice a great results, my friends. This mixture is super effective in teeth whitening and eliminating teeth tartar and scaling the teeth naturally, my friends. I'm sure that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.